This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Asset Migration Outcome node in runtime mode. If you don't know what an Asset Migration Outcome node is, make sure you check out the previous tutorial titled Understanding the Asset Migration Outcome node. Let's begin. First, drag and drop the Asset Migration Outcome node into your workspace and double-click it to display its Properties Slideout panel. On the Device drop-down field of the Properties Slideout panel, choose the Catenis virtual device you previously configured. Add the node's configuration information to each field of the Properties Slideout panel. Then, wire this node to a debug node. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace, and double-click the inject node to open its Properties Slideout panel. Select the drop-down Payload field, choose the JSON type, and click the ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node. Click Done, then click Done again, then click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left attached to the inject node to send the input from the inject node to the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results. Great work! Now, you should understand how to use the Asset Migration Outcome node in runtime mode.